So I got another mailer from Lancome that I wanted to unpack for you guys. So basically, to get these mailers, there is Aspire IQ, and they'll send me a form to fill out to see if I could qualify for a mailer. And I've been doing that the past couple of times, and honestly, it's worked out because I've gotten the mailers and I have loved everything I've received so far. Their perfumes are so good. Like, when I tell you, I'm very picky with perfumes, but the perfumes that I did receive from them, no lie, they smell delicious. So I got this little thing here. It says, "'Tis the season, celebrate the holidays with Lancome gift sets, highlighting our iconic bestsellers. Whether you're treating yourself or sharing the love, Lancome is here to make your season truly extraordinary." So this is it in the box. And let's unpack this. Ooh, okay. All right, so this is the Lancome Renergie Hyaluronic Acid, Niacinamide Ferulic Acid Triple Serum. This packaging is beautiful. I've never tried this serum before. And it has like these 3 little dots. I'm gonna put some. It's so cute. I love how this, come on. Ooh. Very soft. It has a pretty scent. And that's how it looks. Very pretty. I can't wait to try this. Then I also got the Lancome Renergie Dark Circles Correcting Eye Cream. We all know as you get older, even as you're young, you want to make sure you're taking care of your eyes. So this is the cream. It does have a scent. That's the thickness. It's very soft and it seems very nourishing. So I'm excited to try that. Then the last is the Lancome Renergie. This is the HPN 300 Peptide Cream. The High Performance Anti-Aging Cream. So I'm going to open her up. This is the cream. Once again, it does have a scent to it, but it's very subtle. This cream is thick, which I like. So that's the cream, and that's rubbed in. I love me some good skincare, so I'm definitely going to try these out to see how they work. So if you guys have tried these before, let me know what you think about them in the comments below. And I honestly can't wait to start incorporating these into my skincare regimen. Thank you, Lancome. Bye.